Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. Welcome to our channel. This is Mr. Nino Mawas Catorza, your licensed real estate broker with PRC license 0015450 INSE Real Estate Services. And that is my mobile number 0917-1133711 and catorza@yahoo.com. Now this is the property for sale. All are flat terrain. This is 1.5 hectares plus with a clean title. It has coconut trees, rice fields, and mango trees. Pero kining mango trees, guys, are just only paho or kanang gagmay bitaw. Dili pareha ng karabaw. Then there is also a what we call deep well. So, nindot guys ya. So, that is me. Ako na guys, no? Walking distance to the beach. Malakaw ginipaingon adtong beach dito. So, this is located in Barangay Sinandigan, Ubay Bohol. So, this is a northern part of Bohol Province, northeast part of Bohol Province. So, the good thing is it has walking distance to the beach. It has so many province. Then if you have properties for sale, just let me know. Then we'll process transfer of title. So tanan guys, all these are flat yun siya. Then good for retirement because it's really walking distance to the beach. So ang ako ani guys, kung ikaw mo retire na ka, mag-farm ka diri. So nindot kayo guys nya napay daghang labas nga isda diha modunggo diha dapita sa dool sa beach. So mo na akong Facebook account, i-add lang ko guys. Again, the price is 500 pesos per square meter. Kini siya may ni siya og mga second or third lot from the barangay road. Pero sige lang guys, kay nindot na man right of way. There is a road right of way. Owner has promised us no nga nanagid siya road right of way. Although na ko ma final kayo, pero iya kong ituduan nga naanay road right of way. So kini guys, one of the best property. Actually barato ra gani siya sa 500 pesos per square meter. Ningon pa siya mahangyo paggamay. Kay actually kato akong gitanaw dito dool. Mahal kayo 5,000 per square meter. Kini siya wala ko magsulti sa iya nga kanang ang uban diya mahal. Kay mas mayo mang makabaligya tagong barato like this one, no? So nay mga ruta paingon sa Manila, napoy paingon sa Cebu ug sa Leyte. So mao ni nga beach guys, no? Ato man ang gidronan. Walking distance sa gyud ani nga beach ang property. Mao ni nakanindot gyud. Ligo ka dire, low tide lang ron, pero bisan pag low tide kung naa kay mga kuan nindot ang dagat tambal magining dagat. It's really a medicine bisag magpahangin ra ka diri. Every morning gikan ka sa imong property or sa farm. Walking distance as in good, no? More or less nas mga 300 to 500 meters away. Kadto nga property nga itong gibaligya. So, mo na naka-advantage, no? So, open man nga beach kay public man ang good ng beach. Dili magud na ingon nga ma-private. Laag lang ka diri, libre imong ligo. Okay ra kayo. Di ra ka mo kag cottage. Pero ganahan ka mo kag cottage, bayad yun ka. Okay? For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. Okay, thank you very much.